Drawing in chat on Instagram is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is launch up your Instagram application. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna find a chat that we want to draw in. So we're gonna go to our chats. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're gonna pick a chat that we're gonna pick this chat. So I need you to understand that you can only use a chat that you've already started a conversation with. Then you're gonna click the plus sign at the part where it says to write a message. The far right of the column where you can write a message, you're gonna click the plus sign here. And from here you can see draw. We're gonna click on draw. I says draw anywhere in your messages, and we're gonna click on try it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna draw I on our message. Writes Merry Xmas. And from here we're gonna send. So my customer should get the Merry Christmas message, and it's gonna be on your message as it's sent. Now that's how to draw in chats on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.